Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
The hottest guy alive is here.
You can actually get like a pretty good view from here of Ghana.
Welcome to my mansion. This is gonna be a very special episode of MTV Cribs. This is, I don't even know what century, but it's very haunted the way we like it. This is actually my dead pet horse. He's still working for me.
Do you know who is a ghost?
Who?
Shelby.
There's always my way.
This is the garden area that we used to work at VIP Tours. Does it bring you any memories? Living MK! Yay! By the way, I'm not used to this anymore. I literally was here for like 3-4 hours, dying. Literally on a casket. See you real soon. We just got here from Magic Kingdom and we're gonna go straight to America to eat. I never had this one before, so if you really think about it, is this really $15? No. This is what I needed. This is what happens when your friends decide not to come to the reunion. You have a message for her?
Yeah, you.
We need to do a meet and greet over here. The only thing that you need to have is this card, free photo pass photos. You don't know which characters are gonna be that day in there, but it's pretty fun. Let's do it.
Party of 3.
It's Mickey and Minnie. Yeah. I'm so excited. You know, I'm a Mickey stand. Is it like...
That's so cool.
I'm sorry, Minnie. They don't have a boat, but they kind of like represent you too, you know?
Big smiles.
Oh, by the way, I used to work here, so I was here all the time. Have a good day. We're gonna do soaring before we leave. I'm excited. I haven't done the soaring over California. Apparently there's like an orange part, so. Probably last right in here.
Yeah.
Let's do it. California. We're done with Disney. We had a lot of fun. I want to thank Christine for bringing us in. It was actually kind of nice to be back, but our bodies are not used to it anymore. I can't handle it. Look at me, I'm sweating. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do whatever you're doing. We'll see ya real soon. Let's do like a lower angle.
Not a very good one.